Is your Mercedes W204 alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are a failing Siren battery, a faulty bonnet switch, or incorrect alarm coding. The Siren unit, located near the firewall, has an internal battery that dies after 5 to 10 years, triggering false alarms. Watch how the voltage drops, causing the alarm to trigger. The bonnet switch, which detects hood opening, can corrode or misalign, causing false triggers. Less often, the alarm system's coding needs a reset. First, check the Siren battery voltage with a multimeter. It needs to be above 2.8 volts. Replacing it is often a simple fix. Next, inspect the bonnet switch for corrosion or damage. Clean or replace it if necessary. If these don't work, you might need to reset the alarm coding using a diagnostic tool like Zentry Pass-Through Plus or Launch X431. While dealerships charge $200 to $500 for coding, DIY options are increasingly popular with affordable OBD2 adapters. Remember to always disconnect the car battery before working on electrical components.